I am Girish. We are the students of Sunrise Jam School and our team's name is Team SRC Swadeshi.
Did you know that there is a lot of wastage of old clothes and newspapers? What should we do for that?
Let's recycle them.
But how?
Nowadays, people are using plastic bags. Instead of that, we can recycle old clothes and newspapers to make eco-friendly bags.
Eco-friendly bags are made from cloth, jute and paper. They are reusable, biodegradable and safe for nature. Making these bags is not only about fun, but also about spread awareness to protect our environment.
When we make bags at home or in school, we know how to reuse the bags with saris, jeans and newspaper. This small step bring a big change.
Let's take a pledge today to use only eco-friendly bags and encourage others to do the same and make our planet cleaner and cleaner.
Here are some examples of bags that are made out of recycled materials. These bags are made out of old clothes. These bags are made from craft papers and we